precision drafting, building the foundation with detail, constructing the skeleton of design from every single line, constructing the underlying logic, outlining the initial space with rigorous standards. From 0 to 1, solidifying the foundation of design. Light and shadow play, bringing scenes to life. Sunday as Max breathes soul into the space, making concepts jump off the screen. A symphony of textures and light. Every millimeter reveals a tangible sense of reality. Breaking the boundaries of imagination, witnessing the perfect transformation from drawing to reality.